Whether you are a beginner or just love Christmas vibes, this one is for you. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. Imagine a snowy Christmas Eve. Santa Claus has just stepped out of his sleigh, standing outside a cozy little house with sack full of gifts. Stick around as I guide you through the step-by-step process of painting this festive story. Every story begins with a setting, and ours starts with snowy winter night. I am blending blue and white acrylic paint to create a cold and frosty sky. Use a large flat brush for smooth horizontal strokes. Here comes Santa, our Christmas hero. I am painting his iconic red suit first. Use bright red for the coat and pants. Santa looks like he's just stepped out of his sleigh, ready to leave his presents for everyone. He is the heart of Christmas spirit. Next, we are adding a cozy little house. For the walls, I am using warm brown tones. I can imagine a family inside, sitting by the fire, maybe hanging stockings, not knowing Santa is right outside with the gifts. Painting Santa feels like bringing a beloved character to life. One brushstroke at a time. Black boots and belt add the finishing touches to his outfit. Add a gradient darker blue at the top, fading to white near the bottom for snowy ground. Take your time here. The background sets the mood. Santa didn't come empty-handed. Around him are stacks of beautifully wrapped gifts, each holding a special surprise. Maybe one is a doll for a little girl or a train set for a boy. These gifts remind me of the excitement of opening presents on Christmas morning. What's your favorite Christmas gift memory? Below, the ground is covered in snow. It's already starting to feel like winter wonderland. I'm using earthy brown tones for the house. And adding snow on the roof with pure white. For his face, mix a peachy skin tone and add white beard. It's what makes Santa so recognizable. Don't forget the twinkle in his eye and jolly smile. It's the little details that make him come alive. With his fluffy white beard and twinkling eyes, he is full of Christmas spirit. Take your time with details. It's what makes Santa come alive. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite Christmas memory. And here's the final look. Our Santa Claus is ready to deliver gifts, and the scene is full of holiday cheer. Until next time, happy holidays and keep creating. Watch more of my stories here.